Go ahead and tell us about the Lego things you've been making the last day.
I made the house. I built it. I rebuilt it almost 1,000 times. And
What's inside? Show the camera up close.
I had a coffee table to wish me good luck.
Okay. A good luck coffee table.
And that was the last time I actually did it.
Okay, and what did you make next? What's the next piece? You could put them on top so everybody can still see it. Put the house on.
The pony.
A pony with a chariot? Okay.
Yeah. So.
Put them on top. Put your house on top. Grab the house that's on the ground and put it on top. There you go, so that way people can see it.
And then
Okay, let's show off the next one. What else did you make out of the Lego set?
And we did Gloria's wheelchair.
Gloria's wheelchair.
Yeehaw!
It's Bruno. Okay, what else did you make out of the Lego set?
And then I made Puppy.
A skateboarding dog.
Just one dog.
Okay, cool. What else?
And a motorcycle.
Let's get that up close. Show them the tail lights, the headlights. That's pretty cool. All right, what's next? Ice cream cart. Ice cream cart.
So you see these wheels actually roll. And there's some ice cream cones right here.
That's pretty awesome.
And here's the ice cream buckets right there.
And they're all different colors, right?
Yeah.
Okay, show them to us. Oh, I see. Okay. Cool. What's the last one? We made a Cruella de Vil car. Cruella de Vil car.
Yeah.
Cool.
So,
That looks pretty awesome. Okay. Great.